Attention all the student of 4th semester electrical for professional development subject. The topic number 4, it is professional service, need and importance of quality in professional service, various factor of professional service, ensuring quality in professional service. So there are 4 5 articles are there which we have to discuss today in this subject. First of all, meaning of service. Service means whenever a product is sold to the consumer, then sales after service, it is a compulsory for all type of product which are uh, movable or which are in form of machineries or in form of any other product. So when we provide service with a tentative way as per the terms and condition of sales, then that service is different. Professional service is that in which perfection is there and satisfaction of consumer is at the top, satisfaction of the society, it is at the top. So professional service means there are so many professions are there. Medical profession is there, engineering profession is there, chartered accountant profession is there, judiciary profession is there, in which advocates are giving service. Apart from this, there are so many other professions are there. So ultimately the profession adopted by any person in a particular field, it is his duty to provide the professional service to its clients. So what are the point, what is the need to professional service? Professional service need is that according to the requirement of the society, we decide that which type of professional service required by the society. According to that, we will frame the structure of our professional service components. So professional service basically, it is a perfect service without any tolerance of the mistake or error. It is having different qualities, that time factor is there. Professional service for people should be very punctual in providing the service, first thing. So first quality of professional service giving people is that they should have a proper time management, and time management, then service is given with good behavior. If behavior of the service provider is not good with the client, then he will fail in professional service. Nowadays people like that when they invest money for any type of service they want to get, so they want to get the complete satisfaction in that particular service. So here when we talk about professional service, then first we have to decide what type of professional service is to be given to the society. According to, on the basis of this particular type of service, we check out our complete program, that which type of quality required by the society, and whether we are in position to give that type of quality to the quality of service to the society or not. Otherwise, if the satisfaction of the consumer at the top, then the society service for any type of profession, it will be best considered. Things are there that you have to decide service norms. In service norms, there are many type of sales agencies are there which are selling vehicles like cars and bikes and other scooters. They are providing free service free. So this is also coming under professional service. It is given by the company. According to company norms, they have given that booklet to you in which they are giving all the details of providing service to your vehicle. So this is also a form of professional service. The other form I have discussed that service given by a doctor to the society, service given by a chartered accountant to a society, service given by an advocate to the society, service given by any other persons for the purpose of service need of the society. So they are all the persons or group of persons are there which are providing the service. Nowadays, service sector, it is a very emerging sector in the field. There are three type of sectors which are providing service to the society. That is, one is a manufacturing sector, one is service and maintenance sector, and the third is marketing sector. So service sector basically related with the marketing sector. Whenever you sell any product, then consumer satisfaction is depends only on that whether you are giving service after sales or not. If you are giving service after sales, then consumer will be satisfied. Now, when we discuss other type of service in form of the advocate, professionals like chartered accountant, engineers, doctors, these are the different type of service. It is provided service by the person. And in this particular case, what are the points which decide the performance of professional service? They are depend upon the need of the society. According to need of the society, you should design your service program. So service, of course, the society peoples will come to the service provider and discuss their matter with the service provider, and if they get complete satisfaction in providing of the service by the professionals, then only they will contact the service professional and give their need or requirement to the service professional. So in this particular topic, professional service need and importance. Need and importance, it is from the point of view of society. Society need now everything should be available at home service. Most of the people thinks like that. But in every case, it is not possible to give home service. In some services, you have to contact the service provider and you discuss your matter with the service provider. So according to your matter, the service provider will provide the service. So here need, it is of the society. Need, it is not of the professional. Professional will only find out their professional accuracy and activities and performance. So suppose you are going to a doctor. If a doctor providing your medical service to you, so first of all, the behavior of doctor should be such that by his behavior 50% disease of the patient gone if doctor's nature is good. Nature means its communication with the patients. So if he talk politely, consider or explain the problems to the patients calmly, explanation point of view, and give certain benefits of his service to the patient, so patient will be happy. So behavior point of the doctor with the patient, it is the first quality required in this profession. After that, he will treat the patient, of course, by medicine or whatever things required. So for medical professionals, it is necessary that they should understand the problem of the patient, diagnose the disease, explain about the problems of the disease and well behave with the patients. Okay, so this type of service required, this is coming under social service, of course. Similarly, if you go for other services for the society, then first point of the professional people who are providing the service, it is their nature. Nature will play 50% role in providing service. If your nature of professionals are good, considerable, and they thought about the problem of the clients and what type of help they can provide to the clients, then 50% work is over. They understand the client's problem, and if they behave properly with the professionals, uh, professional behave properly with the society's peoples to whom they are providing service, so persons will be attracted automatically with that service. Normally, in the market, you see that we are always giving examples of the peoples who are giving service in the profession in the society. Why we talk some names in every profession? It is only that their service providing is of top level. They consider the problems of the clients of the society peoples, and their behavior is good, their treatment is good, their solution is good, their solution is adopted by the clients. Clients always get success when he go to that particular person. This type of concept made in the mind of the society's peoples, that this particular person is providing a particular service, it is having a good command on his work. So when a service provider have a good command on work, whatever service he is providing, naturally his popularity amongst the peoples or public is automatically spread, and many times the people suggest the name, that if you have this problem, you go to that person. Why it is so? Same professional person, there are thousands of persons available in the market of the same profession, but why people's recommend to some selected peoples? It is only that their service and their efforts to solve the problem of the society peoples or the clients. So when their problem is solved, 100% guaranteed, then people's trust will be increased on those professionals. And according to that trust, they will find that opinion that for this particular problem we should go to that person. This is the importance. This is that the professional service need, that professionals should be behave properly first thing, understand the consumer or client properly, understand his problem, and give a perfect solution to his problem. If these four things are observed by the professional, then they will be said to be good professional service provider. So service provider in any field, behavior is a main important factor from the beginning. First impression of the personality, and personality that include behavior. So if the behavior of professional is good with the client, then the first point is over. After that he will discuss the problems of the client, discuss the requirement of the client, and according to that he will suggest his service to the person. If service provider should be kind enough to explain every problem which are to become or which are there with the client, then client will be become satisfied. So satisfaction of consumer or the client, it is at the top of the service. If you satisfied the clients with your service, then definitely you are said to be a good professional. Now, in the topic content, professional service need and importance. So, importance of the professional service is that if you are providing good service to public, society, then it is only first importance matter is there. Importance means महत्व, service का महत्व. Service provider should understand his importance also to the service. So it is a bilateral relation between service provider and the clients of the service provider. Both should be have a proper synchronism, or proper understanding between them, so the service provider can provide better service to the consumer. So this is the importance of the service provider or the service provider have all these qualities, then definitely the person who is getting service from the person, he will be satisfied. Now we take some example of marketing side. In marketing side, there is a two things is there is one is selling and one is marketing. So selling is not associated with the satisfaction of consumer, but when we go for marketing, then marketing is associated with satisfaction of the consumer. It means that if you are doing marketing service, then it is your first uh, duty that your consumer should be satisfied with your service. Satisfied with service means you should provide a quality product to the person in a reasonable price. Don't charge price higher than the MRP or higher than the price available in the field or in the market, or whatever point we can give regarding the quality of the product. It should be clearly mentioned to the service persons to whom you are providing service, or the you are selling or you are marketing of the product you are doing with the persons. So if you explain each quality, specification, service, duration, durability of the product, all these things, along with you are providing service of that product after sales, then the persons will be satisfied with you. So satisfaction of consumer is depends upon the marketing, not selling. Selling people do not bother about the satisfaction of consumer. They come on the street, they put a shop, sell the things and go. If there is any problem in your product, then you cannot contact the person. So society peoples also understand that whenever they want to purchase any product, they should go for the product which is branded. And branded companies product always they provide you better service. Means they are doing marketing, they are not doing selling. So marketing part in which your satisfaction is at the top. इसलिए कई जगह लिखा रहता है कि ग्राहक हमारा भगवान है. भगवान क्यों है? क्योंकि वो आपका प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं. खरीदते क्यों हैं? कि आप उस तरह की सर्विस उनको प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो इन मार्केटिंग सेक्टर ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सर्विस नीड इज देयर. फॉर एवरी टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, seller must satisfy the need of the consumer. Consumer needs, if satisfied, then he will go to purchase that product. Consumers need, you ask from the consumer what he expect from you, and according to his expectation, you provide the product. And whenever the product provide according to the expectation of the person, then it is find that consumer satisfaction is there, so he will come again and again for purchasing a product to your shop or your place. So importance of service, it is also there in marketing, not only in professionals. So all points we have considered, that how to behave the service persons, how he provides service, how he interact with the client, and what are the steps he should take to satisfy the consumer or client. According to that, he will manage for its service. So service provider, nowadays the service field have captured almost about 60% business in the market. Service providers are, in all the cases they are service provider. Service provider are also sometimes they manage the event. So event management peoples, they are also coming under service provider. So for any type of function, marriage, or any type of seminar or other type of organizing meetings, the service providers are there which provide service to you as per your requirement. So again things comes that what is their quality of service they provide. So client always required a quality product, quality service for their event. So if service provider give importance to all these points in which consumers or clients are satisfied, then only that particular professional people will success in their profession. There are many advocates are there are many doctors are there are many engineers are there are many chartered accountants are there. But what is that? It is the question of demand and supply. Demand is more, persons is less, then naturally the service quality will not improve, because demand is more, service provider are less. So if they not provide proper service, even though they will get the client, because there is a shortage of that type of professional in the field. But if the professional numbers are more than the demand, then to stay in the market or in the service sector, you have to improve. I am telling about the professionals. You have to improve your service providing capacity. If you are providing good service, then even if there is a more persons available in the field and demand of services may be less, then whatever persons or clients who required the work or the service of their your nature of your profession, then they will come to you, even there is a number less. So professional service basically also depend on demand and supply principle, and availability of service provider in field. If service provider are more, then definitely there will be some compromise you have to do with the service provider, because service providers are more, then they will give you most better service to establish themselves in the market. And if service provider are less in number, limited in number, then they will not give much importance to their service providing quality. मेनी प्रोफेशनल तो बोल देते हैं मुंह पे क्लाइंट्स को कि आपको ये काम करवाना हो तो करवाइए, नहीं तो आप जाइए, जहाँ से करवाना वहाँ से करवाइए. So this type of words you hear, clients hear from the professional. This is only that availability of such persons are less in the market and demand is more, and they will service provider, they are confident, and by their this type of behavior, even though persons will come to them, because they know their standard of providing service. So service provider, whatever type of service you provide with all efficiency and persons or clients are satisfied with you, then you don't discourage them by saying like this, that you can go to anywhere. This will, if a particular opinion will be formed slowly in the market, even a good service provider can come out of the market, may come out of the market. Why? Because of his behavior. Many times people will say that every client have the self-respect, and ultimately he is going to a service provider. If his behavior is not good with the client, then definitely he will think to change or find out some other service provider. So it is necessary for the service provider providing people's that your quality of work, it is of course up top level, that's why the people's coming to you, but your behavior, your ego, this must not come in between client and you. If this will come, then definitely you are of course doing good service, giving good service, good quality. Persons will slowly disconnected from you because of your behavior. So it is a matter of fact that service provider should be having good behavior with the client, and listen the client problems properly and provide the service up to his maximum efficiency. If this type of things in the constant behavior of a provider of service, then you see that this service provider long run, he run long, means his business will going on increasing in this way. Why? Because he has adopted two things. One is providing quality service to you, and second, his behavior with the client is good, and he understands the problems of the clients in proper way and provide the solution. So slowly people will automatically, by mouth publicity, the name of that service provider is available in the market. You do not go for any type of advertisement or vigyapan for that. The advertisement is one factor of the service. Every service provider, they are giving some advertisement in the print media or TV or electronic media. Why? Service provider who are giving their advertise, if suppose, then you definitely identify that this service provider, his service quality is not good, and उसकी दुकान चल नहीं रही है, इसलिए वो एडवर्टाइज कर रहा है. ओके. You have seen so many service providers in Ayurveda. They are giving a number of video on YouTube to purchase their medicine or whatever type of product they are providing for control of diabetes, blood pressure or other diseases. Why? Because it is not available in the open market shop. Suppose it is of good quality, and whatever type of challenge they are giving for improving of your disease by this particular product they providing to the public or to the society. So why they are going required to do the advertise? People will automatically find that particular product and start purchasing. So base publicity is by the mouth publicity, that one thing, one product I have used and I have benefited by that product, then I will say to my persons who are in my circle, so they will then communicate to further in their circle. So automatically, without giving any advertising, electronic media or print media, your product will automatically catch market. So this is only why it is due to service provider. He is giving not fake things but real things which are giving benefit to the clients or the consumer. So this is also one factor, that advertisement is required only to those service provider which are not giving service proper. They want to advertise their qualities, they have to speak their qualities in front of the clients or in the market. Because people don't know and about you, because of non publicity by mouth. If the clients are coming to you by mouth publicity, then why you are going to advertise your product or your services? People automatically come when you one establish in the market. people's your clients will be or your consumers will be fixed already. In service sector I have seen somebody say that मैं तो यार वही उसी CA से काम कराता हूँ. Why? Because he has taken service of that CA and he has observed that he is doing things properly with proper behavior, so he will motivate some more people to go to that CA. So that particular CA do not have any publicity in the market by print media or by electronic media. So for every profession it is necessary. Number of advertise we see in the print paper media, this thing is available, 100% satisfaction is there, this and that, number of things they are giving. Why they are giving? Because people are not approaching to them. They want that these people should approach to us by just reading the advertise. So advertise means I have read somewhere definition of advertise. Advertise is 85% confusion and 15% commission. Every advertise, whatever advertise you are seeing in your television programs, in TV breaks, and whatever type of advertise you are seeing in the print media, the main objective is that 85% confusion is created in the mind of the consumer. Out of that confusion, if they earn the 15% commission on that. This is the definition of advertisement. So advertising world progressing nowadays. Why? Because they are just every time you see use for toothpaste, this particular brand is best. Repeatedly in your mind something is strike. Similarly, if you go in the market, there are big hoardings are there on which the advertise are given. So every time these particular written things, it is a strike on your mind. So you motivate to contact the person. But I have seen that those products which are established product, they are not giving much advertise. They are not giving advertise regularly. Once upon a time they have given their details, people are satisfied with their service and product, so automatically they are going for that. For spreading the market, of course, for information to be provided to the maximum number of peoples in the field, peoples are giving advertise. But those advertise for the marketing of the product, it is good because they are providing service according along with their sales. So that type of advertise are justified. But service provider, if they are giving their advertisement, then it is directly come to their quality of work and their behavior in the service. So these are the various factors of providing service or ensuring quality in service providing. So ensuring the quality, then if you are doing good quality service to the person's satisfaction, then this will be automatically attract the clients to you. Similarly, in marketing sector, if you are doing good product, or you are marketing of good product with satisfaction of the consumer, then you will find that consumers will necessarily buy that particular product. They are biased to buy that product. So this is all about the points given in this particular 4 topic: professional service, need and importance of quality of in professional service, and various factors of professional service, and ensuring quality in professional service. So all these points I have consolidatedly discussed with you in this lecture. According to point, you can just short out the points from that and prepare your notes. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.